Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Homebrew on your Mac operating system. So as I said, Brew is a package manager, so you can install some packages using Brew, right? So for example, you want to install a package called Git. You can give this command, which is brew install and then the package name. So if you want to search for the packages, you can always go to brew.sh website, and here you can search for the packages. So you can see when I give git command, you can see this is how you can install git, and you will be able to see the versions of git here. You can also find all this in your terminal itself, right? So let me show you how you can just find that package. You can just give this command in your terminal to find the package. So I'm going to give this brew search command, and then when I write git here, it's going to search for the git package. So you can see there are so many packages related to git, right? And the package we wanted to install is this git one, but there are some other packages from many developers here. So you can install these packages and you can use git in few different ways, right? So you can install a package using brew install the package name, and if you want more information about that packages or different versions of that packages you need to search, then you can give brew search and then the package name, right? Let me clear the terminal once again. Now if you want to update brew, then you just need to write brew update. So just write brew update, and what it's going to do is it's going to update the homebrew and its package database. When I press enter here, it's going to update the brew package, and it says already up to date. So my homebrew package is up to date, but in your case it might be older, so it can update the version of homebrew. If you want to upgrade all the homebrew packages which you have installed using homebrew, then you can give this upgrade command, right? So upgrade command, and it's going to upgrade all the versions of the packages you have installed via the brew command. When I press enter, it's going to upgrade all the packages. So let's install a package. So what I want to do is I want to install a package called ffmpeg. ffmpeg is a package we can use to convert or transform media files into other formats of media files. So I'm going to give this command, which is brew install ffmpeg, and then press enter, which is going to install this package. So at this point, just wait for a few seconds, and after a few seconds you will see a message that that package is installed on your Mac operating system. So now once that package is installed, once again let me clear the terminal. When I give ffmpeg command and then press enter, it's going to recognize this ffmpeg command, and then we can use this ffmpeg to let's say convert your media files into other formats, for example. Let me clear the terminal here. Now in order to list all the installed packages, you can give this command, which is brew list, and it's going to give you the list of all installed packages. Now if you see so many packages here, this is because those other packages are the dependencies of the package I have installed, right? So it's going to also install all the other dependency packages, and that's why you can see this large list here instead of your package you have installed, right? Now in order to check which packages are outdated, you can give this command, which is brew outdated command, and then press enter, and it's going to show you all the outdated packages on your Mac operating system related to Brew. If you want to uninstall a package, you can give Brew uninstall and then the package name. So uninstall, and then for example I want to uninstall ffmpeg here, it's going to be uninstalled. Okay, now over time Brew can accumulate older versions of packages or other temporary files. So to clean up those kind of temporary packages or files, you can give this command, which is brew, and then just write clean up and then press enter, and it's going to clean up the Brew temporary files. You can see pruned 0 symbolic links and 4 directories from opt homebrew. So it's going to basically clean up your Brew packages. One last command I'm going to show you, which is brew doctor command, and this command performs a check for common issues with your homebrew setup. So when you give this command, it's going to give you the warnings or the errors or the issues which you might have related to homebrew. So this is how you can use homebrew on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next